Hi guys, really quick, dirty and unedited one for you today. I needed to get a video up, so I thought I would at least get this one done because it'll be a quick one, I can already tell. So we've got this stereo has been given to us by one of our partners for repair, and it appears that they may have skipped one of the most basic steps. It's dead. To be honest, it's not worth repairing. It is a Soundstream, I don't even know who, or Sandstrøm, don't even recognise it. It looks like it's one of these all-in-one MP3 CD and everything, and it pretends to be a stack system. Plug it in, it does nothing, so we're going to go straight for the power side of things. Actually, let's just double check that. That doesn't, oh dear. So yeah, when you're doing anything like this, the most basic thing you need to do is an inspection, and we've got green crusties in there and that doesn't fit in. So if we have a look, we can see we've got some severely rotten screws. There are an awful lot of green crusties in that control cable, and there's signs of damp there. So this isn't looking good already. Look at that. Again, there's a bit of rust on some of the connections. Those look quite rough and corroded, so I think I know what we're going to find in here already. Let's have a look at the amp then. Yeah, we've got corrosion in there, we've got corrosion in the screws, we've got corrosion there. That's actually got pooled water in that one, so let's just pull this apart quickly. Pretty sure I know what this is going to be. There we go, reverse. Oh, that one doesn't have an awful lot of head left. Let's get that one out. So there is rust and unspeakable things falling out of this. So that's the back. How does one get the top off? Oh, the top slides off. And what do we do about this bit? Oh, there's more screws. High power amplifier. Yeah, right. Those of us that have worked in the audio industry know what it means when you start getting things like high power amplifier and super this and mega that. Yeah, it's marketing rubbish. I can't really use Dave Jones's feelings on that. That is just not coming out. This is a new work area, so I don't have my usual focus references here. Why will that not come off? Let's bring you down. Do you really have to take the whole thing apart to do this? So we've also got signs of corrosion along here as well. So many screws. I also know I'm low on storage on my phone, so I need to watch this. Seriously, how does this? Volume control doesn't seem to want to move. There we go. Right, straight away, I can see kind of what's happening in here. If you look down there on the back of the speaker connectors, there is an awful lot of corrosion in there. We have a fairly standard integrated amp there and a regulator next to it, and I can see straight away that there's really not much point in going any further with this one. I could fix it, but it's down to the economics and time. Let's just pull this back off completely. And I like that they've got a fan in here. You'd have properly designed your thermal solution and you're not short of space. You wouldn't need that. How is this AC cord retained? This is all very crunchy as well. AC record is retained with a single screw. There we go. And we can move that. Right, first problem. Focus you. Our speaker connections aren't. They are completely Bluetooth. The whole thing, there's a strange smell to it. It really is quite cheaply made. So can we take all of that out? Something has leaked into this. So this looks like it is quite simply a, oh look at that. That's the actual connector housing has come off. And that one, connector housing to come off with it. So whatever this is, I don't think it's cap juice. Take it apart a bit further. It's definitely fallen rather rapidly into the realm of not really worth saving. It's exactly what I expected anyway. We need to get these housings off. Oh, they are stuck. We won't bother. So, in all likelihood, what's going to happen with this is I'm going to go back to our partner and say, yeah, no. Right, so what we've essentially got here is some audio circuitry, a big switch mode power supply, which is all that, and a tiny little lamp. That is a TDA part, so fairly ubiquitous. There is signs of liquid all over this. I have no idea what this is. It doesn't look like we've lost any caps. We've got some discrete transistor preampery going on there. So what would we need? So we would need to replace that. We'd need to replace that. Oh no, it's that horrible conductive goo as well. And that looks like something has run off of that. That's the chopper transistor. I couldn't tell you what it was, but... or did it run that way? Who knows? Underneath, there's more of that, whatever it is. The springs in there have gone as well. So, it's repairable. The replacement value of this is probably not much. Obviously, I'm filming on my phone today, so I can't check. We're looking at a good hour, 2 hours work plus parts. So our general rate is £55 an hour, so £110 plus parts, and I really don't think it's actually worth it. And I strongly suspect, looking at the back of this, that's going to be just as bad. There's more signs of liquid ingress in there. There's rusty screws. I'm willing to bet there's no green crusties in there. Yep, that would need replacing as well, that ribbon. Whatever that was that was spilt on it is corrosive, so I'm going to be going and washing my hands off fairly smartish, but it's really not worth doing anything with it. And it doesn't power up. That wouldn't stop it from powering up. That might, but I'd expect to see... we don't have a standby light, but I'd expect to have seen some kind of life there somewhere. So, yeah, dead one. Take care. Bye.